Do you need a map preview on your website? Or in the notifications from your app? MapTiler has the solution for you, the Static Maps API. Static maps let you create images from any standard or custom style in MapTiler Cloud, just by defining the URL parameter. The Static Maps API also allows you to add extra geometry, like points for store locations, polylines to show the routes that trains take, or polygons to show zones where your customers can park their bikes. Simply define them with coordinate pairs, separated by pipe symbols. You can decide if the view of your image will be set by a center point, by bounding box, or be automatically based on an additional geometry. With the optional scale parameter, you can double the resolution of your map images, ensuring you'll always have a sharp map image on your website. The Static Maps API also supports several image formats, like PNG or WebP. You can try out all the options mentioned in this video visually by changing the parameters in the Static Maps generator. Simply adjust things like the size of the image and see the results instantly. Remember that if you update your custom style in the future, all changes will be automatically made to your static map images. Get your key for the Static Maps API on MapTiler Cloud. The link is in the description below. If you found this video useful, please like it. If you want to learn more about other cool things that can be done with maps, subscribe to our channel now.